subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
LG has launched its new mid-range phone under Q series in South Korea called LG Q52, and it is the successor to the earlier launched LG Q51 smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the LG Q52 features a 6.6-inch HD Plus display with a large 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries 13 megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone supports a quad camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including dual LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 48 megapixel main camera along with the 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens plus 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the LG Q52 comes powered by an unnamed octa-core 2.3 GHz processor paired with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 2 TB via microSD card slot. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 and it packs with 4000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is military standard 810G compliant. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165 by 76.7 by 8.4 millimeters. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The LG Q52 has been priced in South Korea at 330,000 Korean won. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from October 28th in silky white and silky red color options. So, what do you guys think of this LG Q52 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.